Hello fellow explorers, my name is Tony and today we're going to be talking about the planet Pluto. So on average, Pluto is more than 3.6 billion miles away from the Sun, which is about 40 times as far from the Sun as Earth is. It orbits in this yellow region, and this region is going to be the Kuiper Belt. For one orbit, it takes Pluto approximately 248 Earth years to go around the Sun one time. Pluto's mass is about 1/6 the Earth's moon mass and is the smallest planet in our solar system, or at least it was the smallest until it was reclassified in 2006. Pluto itself only is about 1,400 miles wide, which is only about half the width of the United States. Because Pluto is so far away, we actually knew very, very little about what it was like prior to the New Horizons spacecraft. But what we do know is that the temperature on Pluto is 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. Here are some pictures from the New Horizons spacecraft, which has shown us that Pluto actually has mountains, valleys, craters, and even ice glaciers, as shown here. In 2006, NASA launched the first mission to Pluto. That mission was called New Horizons. In 2015, New Horizons first arrived at Pluto. It actually spent more than 5 months studying the planet and all of its moons. New Horizons actually had cameras that took these pictures of Pluto, along with a lot of other pictures and information. They actually helped gather photos and information which will help scientists learn more about the dwarf planets. New Horizons has actually turned the Hubble's fuzzy markings into very detailed photos of mountains and plains, craters, and other different features on Pluto and its moon Charon, and shown different shapes and sizes of the smaller moons. So here we can see some very detailed markings on the planet Pluto, and over here they're pointing out some ice glaciers. So, should Pluto be a planet again? Personally, I say yes. While its size and strength of its own gravitational field are way less than other planets, it's ultimately still a planet with its own set of moons. So I absolutely agree with it being referred to as a planet. Here are some of the references that I used for my presentation today, and thank you so much for watching.